So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can get downloader on the brand new Firestick. So I've got the brand new Firestick here. So if I want to get downloader, there is a couple of settings that I need to change first of all. So you need to head over to your settings here, go down to My Fire TV. And then once we go over to My Fire TV, what you need to do now is you simply need to go down to developer options, and you need to make sure that you go to install unknown apps, and then you want to make sure that these are turned on. So you want to turn all of these on here, and then you want to also go to the about option here, and then what you need to do is you need to look at the software version for the Fire OS 7.7.1.2. Now if it's any greater than this, it might not work on your device. So if we go back and we go to check updates, so it's just checking now. As you can see, this is now up to date, so this is on the latest firmware version. So what we can do now is head on all the way back, go over to our search icon, go to search here, and then we can simply search for downloader. Now sometimes if your device is on a later version, it might not show up, but as you can see here, once you search for it, you can then click on this option here, and then you can then go ahead and go over to your downloader. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can get downloader on your brand new Fire Stick.